Hello. Today we will discuss about a Python program to check if the given number is a prime number. My name is Mitesh Khadge and my contact is mitesh.khadgi2026@gmail.com. You can contact me at this email address for any queries. So there are five methods which we will discuss to find the prime numbers. And at the end we will discuss a function which we write for getting prime numbers in a given range. So there are basically two preliminary methods, number and math dot square root num. So difference between number and math dot square root num, if you changed for x in range 2 to num for into for x in range 2 to math dot square root of num plus 1, then you get the same results but faster. So these are the existing methods of Python where functions is prime is already available as a built-in function, prime range, rand prime, prime pi, prime, previous prime, next prime, and sieve dot prime range. So using math dot square root of method, we define a function called is prime num and we call it is prime given number 3 and is prime given number 4. So for if number is less than equal to 1, then return false that the number is not a prime. For I in range 2 to is square root of num plus 1, if num is percent, if num is divided by I is equal to 0, then given number is not a prime. Otherwise, given number is a prime. So the output when we see for is prime 3 and is prime 4 is given number is a prime for 3, given number is not a prime for 4. Next is using regular expression. We import regular expression library, import RE, then define as is prime number. So and re.compile and we declare the regular expression to match the prime numbers and then print x for x in range 100. For 100 range, if any number is prime, then it will print it. So you can see a list of all the prime numbers from the range 1 to 100 as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. So the third method is using 2 to num range where we define as is prime function where is prime 3 and is prime 4 we have called and 3 is an input and 4 is an input to that function. So if number is equal to 0 and number is equal to 1, return false, it's not a prime. For x in range 2 to num, if number percent x is equal to 0, print given number is not a prime, return false. Else print given number is a prime, return true. So output will be given number is a prime for 3, given number is not a prime for 4. So using that method, we have defined definition function primes, which we call print primes 10. So it prints a list of all the prime numbers from range 1 to 10. So sieve is equal to set sum list range q into q and plus 1 q plus q for q in odds. Return 2 plus p for p in odds if p is not in sieve. So let's see. Output for print primes 10 is equal to a list of prime numbers from range 1 to 10, that is 2, 3, 5, 7. And if 7 in primes 10 is 7 in the list of 2, 3, 5, 7, print exists in the prime numbers list. Using the for loop and range in one line statement is print x for x in range 2, 100. If not, t for t in range 2, x. If not, x divided by t. If it is true or false, the output becomes it prints entire numbers in a list uh, ranging from 2 to 100, which are all prime numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 53, 59, 61, 67, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and 97. Then finally we come to find all the prime numbers in a range. So we declare a function called find primes in range start and end. And example usage is start is equal to 10, end is equal to 50. Prime numbers is equal to find primes in range with two arguments start comma end. Print prime numbers between start and end comma prime numbers, which will be the returning value of the function find primes in range. So output will be prime numbers between 10 and 50 is 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. So the only difference is we are checking whether a number is a prime in the range, and then we are putting it in a list and then try sending that list to as a return from that function from find primes in range function. Thank you.